Verma and I'm an entrepreneur. Business teaches that seeing is believing, but I truly feel that experiencing is believing. So I'm here to test drive the all-new Mahindra Thar and see how it feels. This matters to me a lot since I travel in and outside the city extensively and I look for a road stability in a car. I noticed that it has a powerful engine, high ground clearance, tire for all terrain and a very powerful headlight. The gearbox smoothness is something beyond my expectation. The interior is incredible. Various tech loaded like touchscreen, Tiretronics can help a working lady like me stay connected with family and colleagues even while driving. Yes, I can definitely consider the Mahindra Thar as my daily ride. If you want to explore the impossible, then test drive the all-new Mahindra Thar.
The all-new Thar.